Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Jamaica and Kenya announced plans for direct flights connecting the two countries, but travel agents in Africa are not so gun-ho about the idea. The travel agents complain that such a flight is too expensive. Currently, a return ticket from Kenya outside the peak season costs about $2,000 and there are at least 2 stopovers. A direct flight is likely to push that price up. At the same time, the travel agents argue that the cost of flights would be outside of Kenya Airways' price range amid its financial challenges. Kenya Airways sank into financial losses in 2014 after making costly aircraft purchases. This coincided with a slump in tourist and business travel to Kenya. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in September went up by 3 cents to settle at $54.76 a barrel. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.41. The Canadian dollar is $102.04. The pound now goes for $163.43, while the euro sells for $150.96. On the stock market, the JSE index ended the day at 1,084 points lower, while the junior market index is down 11 points. Among the winners were Jamaica Stock Exchange, Sagicor Select Funds, Pulse Investments, iCreate, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. On the losing side were Wisynco Group, The Lab, Blue Power Group, Knutsford Express Services, and Jamaica Broilers Group. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.